It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. I have one more video. Oh my gosh. So, as you may have seen earlier, I went to Bath and Body Works today, and I gotta say, it's like all of a sudden now, November 1st, Christmas has arrived. Like everywhere in Bath and Body Works is Christmas. Like it was there before, but now it's there. I'm gonna put a screenshot up. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm like, there's new candles. I forgot that the new glass candles were coming in. We need a candle sale. I'm not sure when we're getting the next candle sale, but the new ones, I'm actually going to put these up on Instagram because I got pictures of all of them. They're $29.95. The perfect Christmas under the Christmas tree and to all a good night. It's a new fragrance. I did smell it. I wasn't like super thrilled. It's what are the scent notes? A cool winter breeze, sweet lavender dreams, nestled in a cozy blanket. I was like, I don't know about this one. I like the jar. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then of course we had Feliz Navidad, which I absolutely have to have because it's that spicy chocolate. 'Tis the season. Those are $32.95. And it's not the video. Lenny called. He made it home. Yay! And he's like, I have an idea for a Thanksgiving t-shirt for Bonleo. So we have so much more coming. I'm so excited. So took a little break. I am back. I was talking about 'Tis the Season. And then we also have the Happy Hanukkah. I got to get my hands on that one. Today, I actually got Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel. I'm going to see what those are like. And like I said, right now, I'm burning the Peppermint Sugar Cookie, which is classic Bath and Body Works. This one came out a couple of years ago. It smells so good. So if you're someone who's a foodie like me, like there's gourmand cookie scents, this collection is actually it. We've got Merry Cookie. We've got the raspberry thumbprint. I like the jars too. Like these jars are so Christmassy. This one is crushed peppermint, vanilla extract, creamy butter, and soft sugar cookies. It really does smell like peppermint sugar cookies. It's a really nice blend. It's fresh. The peppermint is very just natural. It smells like peppermint. It doesn't smell like spearmint or wintergreen. It's just peppermint. And you get the sugar, you get the nice cookie crunch in there. And it's a strong one. It's I would say I'm gonna go with like a 9.5. When this one gets going, I actually had this going the other day. It was filling my large living room. It's a great kitchen candle. It just does the trick as far as holiday cookies. If you don't like peppermint, you're probably not going to like this one. It's strong on the peppermint. It's a total win if you like the peppermint and sugar cookie. And again, the jar is like classic Christmas. I absolutely love the jar. It's got the Christmas tree on it. So yeah, we're pretty much full on Christmas now with Halloween over. I know I'm a little sad about Halloween being over. You know, the build up to Halloween. I know I didn't do as many Halloween videos as I thought I would because Christmas just rolled in on the train. That train was the start of it. So I'm going to have a lot more videos. We shall see what's happening tomorrow at Bath and Body Works. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.